How to change YouTube username on mobile. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, this process is super easy, so let's get started. Open the YouTube app on your phone, then tap on View at the right corner, select View Channel. To edit your username, tap the pencil icon located near the top right corner. Under the name and handle, you will see two fields. Name is your display name and handle is a unique username that also serves as your YouTube URL. To update your username, tap on the pencil icon next to name, then tap on Save button. To update your handle, tap on the pencil icon next to your handle. Your handle must be unique across YouTube. If your desired handle is taken, try adding numbers, symbols, or slight variations. Then tap on Save option. Now your username will be updated across YouTube. And that's how you can change YouTube username on mobile.